If you'd have told me about a year ago that my child would be reading, I'd be speechless. Today, 1 year later, she's developing into being an independent and confident reader. She is so resilient, so strong, and that's her beauty. Children, all children have it. They are so adaptable. I'd like to share our journey, if I may, in the hopes of reaching someone. Just one child, one parent. It means the world to me to reach every struggling reader and help them build their confidence in reading. So, from our journey to yours, let our story inspire you to start yours.
Okay everyone, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified to any new videos. Hope I see you next time, and remember,
where every reader learns one letter at a time. Bye.